Wari, Shashwat, Shreya, Subham, Tushar and Zishan. For the team Thane and for Kalyan, led by Divya.
With Jagtap. He's hit this one in the air, and that's moment. Last season has been in the air, and that will get to the. He goes big. He hasn't got the power. Or going for the big shot. Has he got this one fine? Yes, yes. Slower delivery. He's picked the ball so early of his hand. 4 and a 6 in this over. And this could be a wicket. And that is an expensive drive for 4. One is Ajit Yadav, the batter, and the bowler is Ajay. And a shout for Sarthak is back into the attack. And that's in the air. Nothing to worry. East. And this man.
Oh, making use of the angle incoming, and that's crunches that, and this time it starts off with a dot ball, or trying to sweep that. There's an uphill, and that Hamza back in action. Oh, gets an edge, and that's been put on. Oh, once again, this time the wicketkeeper makes no. You can see a beautiful view of the plane. Hits it in the air, and that's been played very fine. Now played it, punched it beautifully in the gap. That's going to be a big chase.
ऑफ स्टंप की तरफ गए, गेंद हवा में और कुणाल से यू फिर से बल्ले का मुख खोला है, और अब की बार तो शॉट थर्ड मैन को बीट भी किया है, और गेंद शॉट जबरदस्त है, पर लेकिन ये अंपायर आई है मैदान में 84 पे 4 की कीमत है जब कोई मुकाबला। ये चलिए बाहरी किनारा लगा है, ये मौका है, और एक और बार फिर से कैच छूटा है, और फिर कहानी में रंग ऐसे शॉट लगा के आप कैच छोड़ते रहिए। नुकसान पे 15वां ओवर चलता हुआ, चलिए आप बड़ी हिट लगाने में थोड़ा तेज डाला, ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर ये गेंद थी, 1 रन से। एक और अच्छा शॉट है, और शॉट तो इतना बढ़िया कि फिर खेला ऑन साइड में, और एक और
dots to start of the proceedings. This time he's taken the flag. Oh, couldn't get much of contact, but gets enough on it, and that will find its way. That will certainly find. 83, Warren have got 73. We've seen a good knock from Trishikesh. That gets the top edge, and that will find its way to the fence as well. Oh, this time place it on the top. Has that been carried? For them, with the likes of Ajit in the middle line, that's a good pull shot, but hasn't got much hold of it this time. Oh, you expect, and that's a great shot, and that's another opportunity, and this time the field. And Kunal have got a very good breakthrough, and that's in the air. That's going to be another. That's going to be, who knows, some good hits can make it a monster kind of score. That's flying down towards the third man, and A shot of the length on the body line. That's in the air. That's an opportunity for a 5-4, and that's been for the concussion, I suppose. We'll have the concussion done. What a shot! Stepping down the wicket. As you can see, he's hit it very well and hits it handsomely for a
10 गेंदों में कुणाल उस 5वें विकेट की तलाश में, लेकिन वो विकेट की तलाश में रन काफी लुटाए जा रहे हैं. ये एक और जबरदस्त हिट. ये लेग स्टंप मिस कर जा.
Yadav of 37-38 for Parikshit, and a very good finish given by me. Oh, that's a lovely shot. Find his way. Crunches.
That has been stroked quite easy. Goes for the big one, hasn't timed this one that well. That's gone in the air, should be taken and dropped.
Kalyan Tuskers.
It should be very easy.
Very good from both the
Yeah,
batters.
yeah. The starting is very good. So they have to just capitalize on their start, and again the four.
The target of achieving is easy for you. Getting insurance sometimes it's difficult. So some way it's short. He has stroked this one into the extra cover region. Slight misfield. And then a little bit cheeky, using the pace of the bowler, and the ball is quickly. किनारा है और किनारा ये फिर कलायों का कितना अच्छा उपयोग किया इन्होंने. ये तो बहुत दूर जाएगी. यहां पर विकेट कीपर से गेंद कामयाबी और दबाव ले ही लिया इन्होंने और आखिरकार कैच पकड़. 7 गेंदों की बात करें तो कोई रन आया नहीं है. एक विकेट जरूर गंवाया, लेकिन ये 8वीं गेंद पे. चलिए ब्रेक के बाद जब खेल वापस प्रारंभ
To deliver the first over of his spell, trying to go big. Was there something? He definitely thinks this has been for the captains, like how KV was mentioning. As how they've got the runs, and this one would be for Ruturaj, the local boy. He's a Maharashtrian player as well.
जी हाँ बिल्कुल. और लीजिए कप्तान. बहुत जल्दी पोजीशन में आ गए. और क्या कमाल का कैच है. पिछले
Have a good middle order, and they're settling themselves in the middle. Both the batters in the middle, and that's a clean strike. Oh, shuffling across, catches a cry, but that could have been curtains down. A bowler doesn't look. Coming of the first 3 and the 15th. Oh, there's a loud appeal. There's a loud appeal. Oh, good sound of the bat, but has he got enough? As a man would end. As you can see, we've got both the angles. Got some great production from Team 24 Lens. Oh, ho, ho! Wow, that's it. A ball before it gets changed, it would select the. Oh, catches a cry. Not much timing. Has that been carried? You bet it. Place of Hamza. Catches a call once again. And that's been swept very well. Of the over. Last ball of the over, sweet sound of the bat, and get the momentum going for the team. And would want to try for that shot once again. There's a man in the deep, but will not be carried. And the result, the attacking game will still remain the same. Smooth, doing a very fine job today. We've seen Kopar Kearney captain getting essential. Oh, that's a bizarre delivery. That has been very nothing short of magnificent chase. Back player with 4 boundaries, 4-7 for the batter.